Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. Let's talk about Aitx, which is in the security sector and is leasing out machines to companies and to people with the RadCam. And so there's a lot to be excited about moving forward. And we do have an investor presentation coming January 15th, less than a month from now. Now, what am I going to touch on? I'm going to go back in time and I'm going to show you what's happened in the past investor presentations. We don't actually get a pump around the time that we don't actually get a pump leading into the actual presentation. In fact, the pump does come later, after. And I'm going to show you that not just on the chart, but I'm going to show you the dates and times. We're going to have to use Weibo for this one. There we go, Aitx. So let's start with the dates here, because they've had plenty of investor presentations. Let's go back in time to 2023. Aitx Investor Conference and RAD Technology reveal a success. November 6, 2023. Aitx is thrilled to announce the successful conclusion of its Investor Conference and RAD Technology reveal held on November 3rd, 2023. November 3rd, 2023. So let's go to the charts. We're going back almost 2 years. November 3rd. No, not really 2 years. What am I thinking? I already thought we were in 2025 for some reason. Okay, let's go to Weibo, because Weibo has the full data. November 3rd, 2020. Oops, I need to zoom out. I need to really zoom out. Let me really pinch it here. There we go. So where's November 3rd, 2023? There it is. Oh no, that's 2022. Well, you know, either way, look at this right here. Look at this. This is November, right? And then look what happened. We had a pump here, then another pump here around January and February. Okay, so that's 2022. Let's go to 2023. Okay, 2023. We had that investor presentation. The stock didn't go much of anywhere. It was just kind of slowly falling lower and lower. And then we got this pump here from 002 to 006. And then we dumped, went right back to support. And then we had a secondary pump again. Then it just went sideways and we got more pumps here about mid-year. So we tend to get two pumps around this time, between January and March. Okay? So, I'm just showing you the data. We've been going sideways, kind of just going nowhere, right? We've had a few little pumps here, but not anything significant. No 300, 200% moves. So we're just kind of going sideways, going nowhere, right? But guess what's going to happen, in my opinion, if this pattern continues to repeat, which has been repeating every year, we should see a nice little run, 100 to 300% within the next 3 months, in my opinion, just based off of the technicals. And right now, just sitting quietly here, no one wants it. That's when you want to buy. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the dates. We don't really get a pump in anticipation of it. It happens after the fact. That's what I wanted to show you. And if 2025 is going to be a bigger year than 2024, I mean, we could get significant pumps. Depends on what they reveal. I don't expect share buybacks, obviously. That's not going to happen with this kind of company. I would be shocked. I'll be shocked if they do, but I don't see it happening. I just don't see it. I don't see it. So we're going to get what? Demonstrations for Romeo Gen 4, Ava Gen 4, Rad Dog LE2, the new stuff here. Sarah, RadCam, I hope we get numbers for that as well. So, it's on you. I know a lot of people don't like taking risk with penny stocks. There's people that aren't like me. Like, I look at this penny stock and I'm like, well, it's AI and it has a bottom. And that bottom has held this entire year. Anytime it comes down to 002s, 003s, it's a good opportunity to swing trade it. You just sit patiently on those positions. It pumps 50 to 100%. You take profit, rinse and repeat. It just requires massive patience and discipline. Some people don't want to hold for months just to get 30 or 50%. Whereas I'm like, yeah, I'm more than happy to put 10K in, hold for 4 to 5K, 3K. Like I'm more than happy to do that. I can wait. Like I think some people just they get caught up in the whole I want to turn 100 into a million fast. So they kind of just go chasing, the next big run. They just chase everywhere, hoping they hit the lottery, essentially. Whereas I'm more like, let's exercise patience and discipline. Where's the bottom on the stock? I'm buying there and I'm holding. If it goes lower, I take the loss and move on. Now, as you can see, this is held for over a year. So as long as it continues to hold, that line in the sand, so to speak, let's continue to abuse it, essentially. And I'm saying this for the new people. Obviously, if you've been around long enough, you already know this. But I've had an influx of subscribers. So you'll hear me talk about like the strategy and exercising patience and discipline. Okay, so that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you the pattern. Historically, loves to have pumps the first 3 months, within the first 3 months of the new year. Then it drops off. Then it has another pump somewhere mid-June. And then it kind of just dies off. And that pattern just repeats. Because if you look at the past as well, oh, this one doesn't go all the way back. I already got rid of a Weeble. But yeah, you guys get it. My strategies aren't complex. Where's the bottom? Buy there, hold. If it breaks down, you take the loss. If it doesn't, continue to hold. It pumps, you take profit, rinse and repeat.